Excuse me, do you work here?
Don't beat yourself up over past mistakes. You are going to f up again in the future.
Get your goddamn hands, your little murder mittens off of my computer. It's a computer, not a cat-puter. It putes cum, not cats. Get out of here. Get the
I just found someone in my Crocs. Do you enjoy them when they're not in sports mode, bro?
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the f is it? I swear to God.
Did you just rub? Head resting on my computer. My hand holding up his butt so he doesn't fall over. Nipple out. Fast asleep.
Oh snap, my cat right here. Salam alaikum. ما قعدت الغمية this hand. Ah, good job.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Jesus Christ.
Stop this madness. What do you want from me? What do you want? Please!
I just hope you feel the same.
Hey, my bad, man. I thought you was somebody else, man.
But you see that sucker over there? 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds.
I paid for that. You can't just take it.
You dumber.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? What was that? Was that a bird? Get it, Teggy. Teggy.
Penny, you stole my kitchen sponge and now Mama wants it back. Give it back to me, please. Right now. Please hand it over.
Çocuk alalım ya. Sen ne yapıyorsun lan? Satılık mısın lan sen?
How are you real? You're really alive. You're so cute. You're so... you're...
Na 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 yeah 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 yeah.
Make good choices. Make good choices!
Ya basta, me dan cosquillas. Suéltame, suéltame, suéltame. Escúchame bien. Aléjate de mí. Sé un buen hombre salvaje. Quieto. Te lo advierto.
What's wrong? You okay? Bombastic side eye.
You can pack your things and leave. There's the door.
There's the door, bitch! She walks out the house, she walks into the street, she doesn't even look where she's going. And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck. What?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
Поздравляем, совсем недавно вы были уличный бродяга, а сейчас у вас квартира, прислуга. Это успех?
Howie, look at the fancy foot right now. Howie. Howie.
So good and tasty.
Ce zic eu, o grămadă de lucruri interesante. Motocoasă. Avea o motocoasă, e nebunie cu ea. 3 licitații, 3 premii mari și unul imens.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb ho-
Done with all the papita? You ate enough.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Everyone deserves a defense, everyone deserves due process, and all of us should take a very, very, very deep breath and recognize the solemnness of this moment and hope that the president.
You know what I really love about cats is that they don't need much from you as an owner. They're not so needy, you know what I mean? They're kind of loners, very individual, like personal space. That's why I have cats, you know? Because that's what I like in a pet.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Si cuando usted se va a acostarse en su cama y lo primero que encuentra es a su gato durmiendo en ella, por favor no se confunda. Sepa que ese gato no es su mascota, usted es la mascota de su gato. Entiendo que es duro reconocerlo, pero es la pura...
Buenas tardes. Yo te quiero mucho, pero ¿qué traes ahí?
Pues es que esta señora los iba a regalar. Como si fueran bolsas de papel. Se los fui a quitar.
Dios mío. Hola.
Peanut, you used to be our good kid. Why are you our problem cat now? You should get down. Thank you.
Somebody's awfully quiet back there.
I'm not gonna call him Dad.
Are you all tucked in, Mr. Handsome?
Yeah. Oh.
What I wouldn't give to see a beautiful coastline right now. Oh my God! I didn't have to give anything!